Welcome back to English Grammar Part 20. In this video clipping, we are going to climb fourth step of English grammar. Okay, and we are going to focus on articles. And if you just pay attention till end of this video clipping, you will not be having any doubt related to articles. So let us begin now. These articles are mainly classified into indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an are considered as indefinite articles, whereas the is considered as definite articles. Now let us just concentrate where these two articles, indefinite articles, are to be used, and where the definite article is to be used. Okay, A and an are particularly used for singular noun. Okay, before the singular nouns we can just use a and an. We cannot use this a and an to the plural nouns, whereas this the can be used for both singular as well as plural nouns, right? So let us just have a look over statement now. When to use a and an. A we have to use when the word begin with consonant. What are consonant now? 26 alphabets are there. 5 are considered as vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest all means 21 are considered as consonant. Okay, so those, if the word begin with those 21 consonant, any one out of this 21 consonant, then we have to add a before those words. Okay, just a consonant or consonant sound. Okay, if the word begin with consonant or consonant sound, we have to add a before those words. For example, zebra, pen, duster. Okay, now just observe the word as well as first letter. So first letter you just observe beginning with consonant. So we have to put a before these words. A zebra, a pen, a duster. Let us just concentrate on this and now. When it is to be used. When the word begin with vowel or vowel sound. That is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. For example, elephant, and ice cream. So you can just observe the word as well as first letter and sound of this letter, beginning letter. Okay. Elephant, E, and A, ice cream, I. So we have to add and before these words. So we have to put and before those words which begin with vowel and vowel sound. Now let's just there are some exceptional cases also. Let us concentrate and learn those. I'll write a few examples here. Just observe those examples and let us have the difference. Okay, you just have a look now. University, usage, unit, honest, honor, are. Okay, though these three words begin with vowel but sound consonant. These words begin with vowel but sound consonant, and here word begin with consonant but sound vowel. Then what is to be added? For these words we have to add a, not an. Okay, because the sound you can see university, consonant sound is there at the beginning. Here also usage, consonant sound is there. Unit, yo, right? So consonant sound is there. So before these words a is to be added, and before this word you can just see honest, honor, r, right? So h is silent, h is silent, h is silent. O sound is there. Honest, honor, r, right? So we have to add and before these words, not a. Here we have to add a, not an. So these are the exceptional cases. I hope articles a and an usage is clear. Let us know now when definite article the is to be used. Okay, this definite article the is to be used when we are talking about the person, place, animal or a thing second time in a sentence. Means when we know particularly or specifically about the place, animal, thing or person. Then next when we have to add the is before the ordinal numbers. For example, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, okay, the fifth session, the sixth month, in this way simultaneously. And also it can be used before the superlative adjectives. For example, the youngest, the nearest, the oldest, the highest. Okay, so before these superlative adjectives we can use the. And also it can be used before the proper nouns. For example, names of oceans, okay, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Before the names of river, the Ganga, the Nile, right? Before the names of seas, the Arabic Sea. Before the names of desert, the Sahara. Before the names of landmark and monuments, for example, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. Okay, before the names of books, for example, the God of Small Things. Next, the names of hotel and restaurant, the Crystal Hotel. Okay, names of places containing of. For example, we should not use the before the country's name. Okay, but in case if there is of, means United Kingdom, United States as well as Republic, whenever it comes we can use the before those. Okay, so whenever of comes, United States of America, the United States of America, like this. Names of places ending in plurals. Okay, before the for example, if the country's name ends with plural, that is yes, then we can use before those countries' name the. For example, the Philippines. Okay, next, names of newspapers. For example, the Deccan Herald. Before the names of magazines. For example, the India Today. This is how the article the works or definite article is to be used. Now just let us know when this the should not be used. Okay, so let us know now when this definite article the is not to be used. Okay, so do not use the article with the following proper nouns. Remember, these are the exceptional cases when we should not use the. Names of most countries, we should not use the before the country's name. Continents name, lakes, mountains, festivals, people, days and months. So before these proper nouns we should not add the before. I hope now the concept of article is clear with you all now, right? A, an and the, when it is to be used and when these are not to be used. Now let me end up this video clipping again with the tongue twist. I hope you are going to enjoy this tongue twist also. पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पका पेड़िया पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता. In the next video clipping, we are going to climb fifth step. As we have completed fourth step now with articles, let us climb fifth step in next video.